What is HPV?
HPV stands for human papilloma virus.
What is cervical cancer? हम normally cervical cancer सुनते हैं तो we relate it with the neck area. And someone said their father has cervical issues. Does that mean men are at risk too?
When we use the word cervical, it is also used for the neck area. But cervix is actually the lower narrow end of the uterus.
What is HPV vaccine?
HPV वैक्सीन हमें HPV इन्फेक्शन से बचाती है.
What if we take it in adulthood? Would it still be, working?
Just like any other vaccine, it has to be given before exposure to the infection.
For instance, some say the vaccine is unsafe or might cause fertility issues later. What's the truth?
Hello everyone and welcome to the new episode of MDPS podcast, a podcast from the students for the society. I am Vansh.
And I'm Ishita. We are thrilled to have you with us for a very insightful conversation.
Joining us today is a truly inspiring personality, Dr. Indu Agarwal, the head of the Department of Preventive Oncology at the Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Institute and Research Center in Delhi.
With over 34 years of experience in obstetrics and gynecology, 13 in preventive oncology, Dr. Agarwal has played a key role in spreading awareness about cancer and its early detection, both at community and OPD level. We are grateful to have you with us, ma'am, today.
Yes,
Thank you, dear
we
Ishita.
welcome you to our podcast.
Thank you, dear Ishita and Vansh.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. नॉर्मली हम लोग सुनते हैं कि HPV वैक्सीन लगवाओ या बच्चों के लिए HPV वैक्सीन इम्पॉर्टेंट है.
So let's start with the basics, doctor. What is HPV?
HPV stands for human papilloma virus. Basically, it is a family of over 200 viruses. Out of these, about 14 are oncogenic. When we use the word oncogenic, it means it can cause cancer. They are responsible for at least 6 different types of cancers, including cervical cancer.
That brings us to a big concern. What is cervical cancer? हम normally cervical cancer सुनते हैं तो we relate it with the neck area. And someone said their father has cervical issues. Does that mean men are at risk too?
A very good question, because when we use the word cervical, it is also used for the neck area.
Yes.
So normally when we say cervical problem hai, it means something to do with the cervical spine problem.
yes.
But cervix is actually the lower narrow end of the uterus. This is the reproductive tract of the female. This is the uterus. This is the narrow lower end of the uterus. This area is called cervix. Cancer of this area is called cervical cancer. It occurs in females. जो आप कह रहे हैं कि इनके फादर को सर्वाइकल प्रॉब्लम है, that must be related to the cervical spine. Nothing to do with the cervical cancer.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So my next question is, what is HPV vaccine? और इसमें से क्या खास बात है कि ये इतनी इम्पोर्टेंट है, especially for younger peoples?
HPV वैक्सीन हमें HPV इन्फेक्शन से बचाती है. Just like we give our children polio vaccine, tetanus vaccine to prevent them from life-threatening diseases later in life, similarly, HPV vaccine protects us from cancer which can develop in adulthood.
Okay.
But the right age to take the vaccine is young girls, school children, preferably 9 to 18 years of age.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for the answer. But what if we take it in adulthood? Would it still be, working?
Just like any other vaccine, it has to be given before exposure to the infection.
Yes.
ऐसा तो नहीं है कि टेटनस हो जाता है या पोलियो होता है उसके बाद हम वैक्सीन लगाते हैं. हम बच्चों को लगाते हैं सो दैट उनको इन्फेक्शन से बचाव हो. सिमिलरली HPV वैक्सीन जो है HPV इन्फेक्शन के एक्सपोजर से पहले लगनी चाहिए. सो इट इज़ बेसिकली यंग गर्ल्स को जब हम लगाते हैं बिफोर दे गेट एक्सपोज टू द इन्फेक्शन, इट इज़ मोस्ट इफेक्टिव.
Okay.
The best age to give the vaccine is 9 to 14 years. It is still recommended up to the age of 26 years. तो but adults को लगाने में इतना फ़ायदा नहीं होता. It is not as effective as when it is given before the exposure.
Okay. Then our next question will be,
what are the side effects of this vaccine and is it safe?
It is a absolutely safe vaccine. There are no serious side effects. It is in the market for over 20 years, well studied. Millions of doses have been given. It is in the national immunization program of more than 140 countries. We are already late. Perfectly safe vaccine and absolutely necessary. Has to be given to young children.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Many people worry about vaccines. Are there any side effects or क्या ये safe है?
As I said, it is a perfectly safe vaccine
Yes.
and absolutely necessary vaccine because it prevents us from cervical cancer and many other HPV related cancers. There are so many other cancers also like oropharyngeal, मुंह का कैंसर कुछ होते हैं, anal cancer, penile cancer,
Yes.
vaginal cancer. There are so many other cancers, but they are not as common as the cervical cancer is. So, HPV vaccine is generally known as a cervical cancer vaccine.
So, if this vaccine is so important, then why hasn't it been included in the national immunization program?
Yes, a very valid question. We are already late into it. As I said, more than 140 countries have already it in the national immunization program. लेकिन most probably ये वैक्सीन हमारे national immunization program में भी आ जाएगी by the end of this year. Earlier the vaccine was expensive. Mass immunization was not feasible. But now we have our own vaccine, indigenous vaccine, Sarvavac, which is affordable, effective and safe.
Yes.
So my next question is, how can someone get HPV vaccine? Is it available in regular medical stores?
Yes, it is available, freely available in the market. It is available in India also since 2008. It is not a new vaccine. It is available in the market since 2008 in India also. But अभी नेशनल इम्यूनाइजेशन प्रोग्राम में नहीं आ पाई थी एज आई सेड बिकॉज इट वाज एन एक्सपेंसिव वैक्सीन. जितनी भी वैक्सीन थी फॉरेन वैक्सीन थी. बट नाउ वी हैव आवर ओन इंडिजिनस वैक्सीन. तो अब ये अफोर्डेबल है. कोई भी पीडियाट्रिशियन, गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट, एनी डॉक्टर कैन प्रेस्क्राइब इट. अपर आर्म में लगती है, कोई प्री टेस्टिंग की ज़रूरत नहीं है, कोई सीरियस साइड इफ़ेक्ट नहीं है एंड एब्सोल्युटली नेसेसरी.
Okay. I have a doubt that if we take the vaccine at a young age, so will we need the booster one in adult age?
As of now, no booster is required. It gives lifelong immunity. अभी जो है डोजेस लग जाती हैं, they prevent you from cancer later in life.
Okay.
So no booster is required. The
Yes.
immunity stays for a very, very long time.
Yes, ma'am. Another common question is the vaccine only for girls?
Actually, as I said, it prevents from cancers, at least 6 different types of cancers.
Yes.
But out of all of them, cervical cancer is the commonest one, and that occurs in females.
Yes.
So, girls carry the heaviest burden of HPV related cancer. Girls are the first priority, they are the primary target for vaccination, but definitely once it is feasible, we'll include boys too.
Okay.
In all the developed countries, boys are getting the vaccination too.
Okay.
So if someone can afford it, they must buy it from market and can take the vaccine.
Okay, ma'am. And finally, will you help us bust some myths?
For instance, some say the vaccine is unsafe or might cause fertility issues later. What's the truth?
Actually, in India, anything related to reproductive health is considered sensitive or embarrassing. People
Yes.
don't want to talk about it, especially if it concerns young girls.
Yeah.
But the truth is, if we don't talk about something, then, lots of myths develop, misconceptions developed.
Yes.
Okay.
It doesn't affect fertility at all. It is a perfectly safe vaccine. So girls must go for it.
Thank you so much, doctor, for clearing up so many doubts.
Yes, your insights are invaluable. For our listeners, prevention is powerful. Stay informed.
Keep asking questions that matter.
Thank you.
you.